Good morning, folks. Alex Thiersch coming to you from Chicago, AmSpa Studios, with some commentary on some breaking news that we've recently received out of the great state of California. Many of you may have seen from our website or the email alerts that we've sent out that there is an allegation against a doctor and a few nurses out there for the unauthorized practice of medicine and aiding and abetting in the unauthorized practice of medicine. The allegations here, and I must reiterate, these are only allegations. We do not know anything about the actual facts, but what has alleged to have happened is that a doctor and some nurses were operating a med spa illegally, in which the nurses were allegedly performing Botox and laser hair removal treatments on patients without proper supervision, without the doctor seeing the patients first, things that we preach all the time here at AmSpa. Unfortunately, which we're seeing more and more of, is that doctor and the nurses have been charged criminally in California criminal court for the unauthorized practice of medicine, which is an unfortunate development, obviously, for them. But and again, not knowing what actually happened, I certainly don't want to comment on whether or not they're guilty or innocent or anything like that. But what I do want to say is that this simply reminds us, and I want to take a moment to remind all of you, particularly our friends and our members in California, that the California Medical Board and the Consumer Affairs Division in California is very active. This was a result of an undercover investigation where they sent in agents to this medical spa and asked if they could get Botox. They asked some very pointed questions about receiving medical treatment, and unfortunately, based upon what the allegations are, they caught these nurses and some of the doctors saying some things that they weren't supposed to be doing. So, in any event, troubling news out of California. But again, this is why we want everybody to be aware of what we do at AmSpa. Make sure you're operating compliantly. As this industry grows, we are going to see this more and more, particularly in the bigger states and the more active states. So please, please, please come to our website, learn the law, act compliantly. Make sure you have proper supervision. Make sure you have doctors seeing patients first before they're treated. Otherwise, we don't want you to end up like this in this unfortunate situation. So call us with questions. Visit our website. We're here to help all the time, 24/7. Thank you so much. Talk to you soon. Bye.